Hi guys, my name is Aya and welcome to my crafts and DIY channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make something really cute. This will be my first time that I will make something like this. I'm very excited, and if it sounds interesting to you, stay with me till the end and let's go! At first, I need to find a recipe for bath bombs. I found a super easy recipe on Pinterest, and as you can see, there are a lot of ideas here. Everyone can find one for themselves. So, we will need 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, and half a cup of cornstarch. Let's mix together our hard ingredients. When this is done, mix the wet ingredients. I took 4 teaspoons of olive oil, about 1 teaspoon with essential oil, and 1 teaspoon of food coloring, and mix all together. I also added 2 teaspoons of water. Now let's mix all the ingredients together. The liquid should be added very slowly and in parts. Now I'm going to mix with my hand to check the consistency. It's not as wet as I think it should be, and I'm going to add more food coloring, essential oil, and 2 more teaspoons of water, and mix it all together. I added the rest of the liquid and mixed it together. The color turned soft pink, as you can see, and it is as I wanted. Now let's use my hands to check the consistency, and I think it's super great. And now guys, I will try to use this. This is ice cream mold. So I start filling the mold with bath bomb mix and fill it about halfway. Then I put the sticks in. It's not that easy that I thought it will be, but I made it. And fill them tightly. And this is what our ice creams look like for now. And should we try these? Let's try. These are gummy bear molds, and I really wanted to try them and see if it works out in the end. Okay, let's fill them tightly. And when it's all done, we have to leave these molds to dry for about 6 hours or more. So guys, today is another day. I left my bath bombs to dry completely overnight, so I think they are ready, and let's go and check them. Very carefully taking them out. Okay. We've got one. And the second. Yep, we got it. Okay, got them all, and result is, oh my god, they are so cute. Okay, let's check the gummies. Oh, they are even cuter. Some of them broke, but that's okay. Okay, and this is final result, and I think they are so cute. And these are not so good, but that's okay. I will use them anyway. And now I will pack everything. If you are interested in molds, the links will be in the description below the video. So, what do you think? Leave it in the comments. For the first time making these, I think they are very good. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day to you all, and see you in the next video. Bye!